Hi, welcome to this tutorial. The idea of working with AI-generated music is exciting to me. Stability AI, the creators of Stable Diffusion, have now published their first version of an AI audio model called Stable Audio. And I wanted to know, where is the development at? What can it, in its present state, do for me as a musician? I tried it out and I want to share my impressions with you. For technical questions, please refer to the link in the description. My evaluation is purely from a musician's point of view. When you open Stable Audio and have logged in, you will see that the length of the audios is limited to 45 seconds in the present edition. You can make it shorter but not longer. Here you have a user's guide with information about Stable Audio. Here you have some examples of what you can enter as a text prompt. You can generate 20 audios per month for free. It is easy to use. You enter your prompt and click on the arrow. When the generation is finished, you can download the file here. The free version allows only MP3 format, not WAV. My first idea was, of course, to create a whole song, so I wouldn't have to work today and I could turn to other pastimes, visit friends, or just be lazy. So I made some attempts, chose a style of music and a tempo, added sometimes an atmosphere, sometimes a composer or an artist in the prompt. Let me give you a few examples. What worked well? My BPM indications in the prompts were taken into account without fault. The timing was always perfect. Also, the style of the music was taken into account. I got the best results by defining not only the style, but also adding the name of a well-known musician. Also, the requested mood or feeling of the song was taken into account. But my dream of not having to work today didn't come true yet, as the results given by Stable Audio were not really ready to be published. First, the sound quality was varying between good and bad, sometimes oversteered, especially the drums. Through the examples provided by Stable Audio, I found out that it is possible to include the sound quality in the prompt. With clean production, the risk of getting oversteered sounds is reduced, though not eliminated. In this example, you can clearly hear a difference. The biggest problems were there was a certain flangering in the sounds. The pitch of the notes was fluctuating between frequencies, sometimes more, sometimes less. There were disharmonies and sudden unpleasant key changes, when a solo instrument played. There were also disharmonies between the different instruments of one song, each of them seeming to play its own melody, regardless of what the other played. Still hanging on to my dream of not having to work, I tried to remedy these problems by including a key into the prompt, like piano accompaniment in G minor, to reduce the possibility of these chords. However, I didn't manage to get a result in a chosen key. In fact, the created music rather seemed to be without any key, or better, it seemed to be in every possible key at the same time. A reason may be that my prompts were not good, as I am not really familiar with the technical features of the tool. Here are some examples of what I tried. My conclusion: music creation will change fundamentally, and the role of a composer too, and this is a very exciting future I'm looking forward to. But there is still a long way to go. What is technically possible right now is not yet good enough to be enjoyed by listeners. For me, that means no free day today, but work as usual. Okay, it is not possible yet to make a whole song with stable audio, but I think we can make a collaboration. It can't be my collaborating instrument player, as I can't control the key it is playing in. But it can be my drummer, and add a special moment to my song with a solo. Another possibility, I let it make a beat, a loop, and take this as a base on which I build up my song. So I made a little experiment for fun, taking the chill, smooth boom bap, adding some details and the voice of Solaria. Goodbye, see you in the next tutorial.